out the homie jaws, niggas talk trapping, while Connect still stacking it. You tired of all these rappers, loose lips, false bragging, embarrassed to be a rapper. Wonder why some rappers rapping. Yo, Jamal Edwards, come here, man. Direct the set. The game's in a mess like I threw up on my chest, or better yet, like your girl in the Reds. If niggas won't admit it, I'll just have to play the villain. Yeah, I'm working up, wishing 2015 my prediction. Yeah, soon come, me and I soon come. First grime artist in the ends and you ain't even know it. See, my story's so unique, you should listen when I speak. Hard times made us dream. Retro sunglasses, gold chain, cheap V-neck, no Gucci. That couldn't be me, simple G since conceived. They choose who they help. We were forgotten like coffins, cause words we quote flew over their heads like jets. I'm next like Seishi, if you don't know, use Google. Many are called only if you were chosen. I might not be on the front line, but I still flow poison. What's your dream? Ride around in an Audi, me free all my niggas from mental slavery. Boy, and that's prevail through travail, stay real. I'm the black Superman. Nigga, like where's your memory card? Where's your memory card? Cause the game needs saving. I apply for the position, I'm killing all you villains. False pretending in the kitchen, can't smell what you're cooking. Cause nigga, you ain't cooking, I'm a vet, you're a rookie. I'm a vet, you're a pet. Lyrically, I'm what's next. Tell the best to hide their fucking eggs, cause we're coming for the nest. Lyrically amazing, in this maze I'm gonna step out. Outstanding to these rappers while they're coaching on their sofa, watching these stenders while I rise like a boner. Nigga never say never, with these bars I'm a killer. Pardon my error, I'm a killer to you niggas. F a nigga with a trigger, I cause more harm with these lyrics. Illmatic to you niggas, still unseen on the scene. When I'm seen on the scene, America will be in reach. Mainstream or underground, I'll bury that nigga. Smoke a spliff, await the cops to come carry up his corpse. That's nasty, and yeah I like to party. Carnival was off the wall, all black matching vans. You know what, I'm the boy Nash, I love female feet. I'm the boy Nash, lyricism my disease, yeah the deadliest dragon, they should have never let me free. Now nigga, I breathe on the streets, I'm the fucking fire in the streets. You know what you lot should go do? Go on YouTube, type Boy Nash Fire in the Streets and just check that out. Let's go, track one.